Valentine's Day is approaching fast, and if you are looking to make this year extra special, you are in the right place. Hey guys, I'm Zoe. We have put together this handpicked selection of gift ideas that he will actually like and use and brag about to his friends, and today we are going to run through a couple of our favorites. If you want to put something in further space, the gamepad and the leaning laptop bag is a great option. For gamepad, we provide white, khaki, gray, and dark gray. It's made of fabric but has PU leather feeling, and it's super easy to clean. Just use clothes for basic clean. You could find more information to go to our website. The linen laptop bag allows double-side printing, and the inner soft neoprene cover provides protection to prevent damaging caused by accidental spills. For more laptop options, please search on our website. Whether it's placed in a home office or on a work desk, personalized gamepad and laptop bag can brighten up any space with heartfelt designs, family photos, or meaningful quotes that celebrates that unique personality. These thoughtful additions not only enhance his workspace, but also keeps precious memories close while he works. If your dad is a sportsman, there are few items are suitable for him, whether it's a game day or casual weekend outgoing, as he has to practice sessions or weekend tournaments. The linen car garbage bag keeps his vehicle organized and stylish. With sublimated design that add a personal touch, you can find more information on our website. Meanwhile, the neoprene wristband offers a lightweight and comfortable way for him to show off his team spirit or accommodate cherished sports moments, whether he's cheering from the stands or participating in a friendly match. And we also provide you various colors. You can check on our website. And the linen cozy keeps dad's favorite drinks cool while proudly displaying customer team logos or motivational quotes, making every match or tailgate a little more exciting. And for dads who love spending time on golf course, we have golf tool with harness clip or not. We even have golf divot. It's a great small item, really easy to do. You just sublimated the insert itself, and the color never fade away like your love to father. For more cozy options, feel free to visit our website. When it comes to personalized gifts that add a touch of classic and sentiment, aluminum keychains and ties are perfect tile. Imagine gifting dad a sleek, durable, and various shapes of aluminum keychain that not only holds his keys, but also carries a personalized touch. Whether it's his initials, a special date, or a heartfelt message, it's something he can carry with him every day, serving as a small but meaningful reminder of love and appreciation. And you can find different shapes of keychains on our website. Now take that personalization to the next level with the sublimation tie, a unique and stylish accessory that adds a personalized flair to his formal wear. Whether it's for work, a special occasion, or family gathering, this customized tie stands out with vibrant, long-lasting prints that capture action and evaluate his look. Those products offer superior sublimation results, ensuring that colors remain vivid and designs stay sharp over time. We offer time for adults or children both. You can check on our website. Next, let's introduce two party-ready and personalized Father's Day essentials: stainless steel bottle opener and wine stopper, both designed to evaluate any gathering. The stainless steel bottle opener comes in two sleek colors, white and silver, perfect for backyard barbecues, family celebrations, or casual drinks with friends. This opener ensures that every bottle opened has a touch of sentiment. Through sublimation, you can customize it with unique designs, logos, or heartfelt messages, making it an unforgettable party accessory. Its sturdy material and vibrant prints offer practical yet personalized gifts during the Father's Day season. Search opener on our website. You could find some products can be used both as keychain and bottle opener. The wine stopper is available in both round and square shapes, ideal for sealing wine, champagne, or any bottled beverage. It keeps drinks fresh while adding a customized flair. Personalize it with sublimation. These stoppers can feature meaningful designs that leave a long-lasting impression at any event, transforming a simple necessity into a standout party highlight. You could find more details on our website. Hope there's something on that list was helpful for you, and I'm sure that's gonna at least give you an idea or stir some imagination of something that would make for a wonderful present for your dad. If you have got some great gift ideas of your own that weren't included here, go ahead and leave one of those in the comments down below, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more sublimation ideas you think we make. Let's make life memorable. See you next time.